Meme coins are printing millionaires again. You guys know Murad. Murad, he turned $68 million from XPX alone. And I told you guys about this in the early days of SPX 900. Pengu CEO said Pengu is going to be the next biggest meme coin. And Aura, a coin I saw at $7 million market cap, did over 24x in under 1 month. But here is the thing nobody is telling you. Smart traders who catch this early, they are not guessing. They are tracking wallet connection, insider cluster, and risky tokenomics before the pump. In this video, I'll show you the tool these traders use and why its native token could be one of the smartest altcoin to hold in this cycle. Now let's step back. 2025 is different. Traders are fed up with fake decentralization and rug pull. Now it's about verified data. It's about trust on chain. That is where Bubblemaps comes in. It is a visual analytics tool that shows you in one click wallet cluster, insider activity, and suspicious ownership structure. Every time a meme coin launches, traders just go about and post it on, Twitter. And what they usually post is a screenshot of Bubblemaps. What happens is that they are indirectly giving attention to Bubblemaps, which equals liquidity. And right at the center of this is BMT. BMT is a token powering Bubblemaps. So why is BMT a coin to keep an eye on? Let's break it down. Bubblemaps has over 100,000 real users, and this is growing. Multi-chain, it works on Solana, Base, BNB, Ethereum, Ton, and a plethora of other networks. It is already embedded in Deskrina, Pom.fun, CoinGecko, OpenSea Pro, and even Etherscan. Bubblemaps gets paid by crypto foundations to power their own chain data, and BMT is already listed on Binance, BitHump, and BitGet. And lastly, it is still early. Its market cap is low, just $30 million compared to its utility. So we've seen this setup before. So you have infrastructure, then you have product plus listing plus strong narrative. This gives you a breakout. Let me show you how easy it is to use. So go to app.bubblemaps.io, choose your network. So you have Ethereum, BNB, and the rest of other networks. Paste your contract address. Let's say I'm pasting the contract address of XPX 900. Once you paste, click on it, you will instantly see wallet connection. You can even use time travel. You can replay wallet movements before a pump. And this is possible if you're using a pro version of Bubblemaps. So this is how pro traders do research in 30 seconds. You don't have to guess anymore. Now, there's also a rumor floating around that Bubblemaps might be launching something new called IntelDesk. Imagine a platform where users can vote to investigate sketchy projects. You can earn reward for helping uncover scams. And this is all powered by the BMT token. If this launches, it unlocks a whole new layer of utility, turning BMT from a research token into a detective token. So here's the full picture. Memecoin mania, they are back. Some money use Bubblemaps. BMT powers all this. It is used, integrated, and it is also monetized. And again, it is still early. So if you believe in the on-chain transparency and want exposure to InfoFi narrative, this is one of the few tokens that actually has a working product behind it. But before you go ahead and make a purchase of the BMT token, first of all, go ahead and make your own research. The truth is that there is no guarantee. This video is actually a sponsored video, but it is one of the ways serious projects get the word out there on their projects, increasing their market share. So go ahead and verify all I have said. And if you want to see how to use Bubblemaps to analyze real meme coin, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. I break down real tools, real strategies, no hype, just edge.